In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Authenticator in Xero, 5 minutes. If you're moving to a new phone or simply switching the app you use for codes, this walkthrough will help you safely update your multi-factor authentication in Xero without getting locked out. Make sure you can sign into your Xero account and have your new Authenticator app ready on the device you want to use. Start by signing in to Xero as you normally would. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile icon or your initials. Click that to open your account menu, then choose Account to open your Xero identity settings. Here you'll see the section for multi-factor authentication. This is where you control your login security. Open the multi-factor authentication section and click Setup. Xero will guide you through enabling MFA on your new device. At this point, you'll be offered two options. You can use the Xero Verify app, which supports push notifications for approve or deny prompts, or you can use your own Authenticator app, such as any time-based code generator. Pick the option that matches the app you plan to use. Xero will show a QR code on screen. With your chosen Authenticator app open on your new device, add a new account and scan the QR code. If your camera can't scan, most apps also let you enter a setup key manually, which Xero will display on the same screen. After you add the account in your Authenticator, you should immediately see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to the Xero setup page and type the current 6-digit code from your new Authenticator to confirm the link. Enter it carefully and submit. If the code doesn't work, wait for the next code to appear and try again, ensuring your device's time and time zone are set correctly, since time drift can cause codes to fail. Once the code is accepted, your new Authenticator is now connected to your Xero login. Xero may prompt you to review backup or recovery options. It's a good idea to save any recovery codes somewhere secure so you can regain access if you lose your device. As a best practice, keep your previous Authenticator available until you've successfully signed out and back in using the new one. That's it. You've updated your Authenticator in Xero. The next time you sign in, open your new app, grab the 6-digit code, and you'll be in. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, be sure to secure those recovery details and keep your device time accurate for smooth logins.